pinpointing opportunity is so hard because it's all nuanced. Everybody's skill set's different. The opportunities in every town are different. And, opportunities, frankly, are just kind of, they come and they go. They pass by. They're like clouds. You're there for a second and then they're gone. So for me to sit here and tell somebody exactly what business to start, very difficult. This is how I think about an opportunity. Everywhere I go in my town, I am thinking about how much money or how could this business make money. I'm walking in a restaurant, I'm doing the math on tables, I'm doing the math in the back, I'm thinking about how much rent they might have to pay, how profitable they could be. How does this business work? You start running little miniature profit and loss statements in your head and just walking around with a new curiosity about business. Walking down the main drag downtown and you see that little knick-knack store and you just wonder how can they ever make money? And the truth is they probably don't. So if you walk around just thinking, hey, who and how and when and where is the money being made in this town? And how good is this person that's running this company have to be to make this money? Okay. I like to compete with people who are rich and not very smart. Like in entrepreneurship, you're choosing who you get to compete with, who you want to compete with. It's like, do you want to play basketball against LeBron James or do you want to play basketball against your third grade cousin who, you can block their shot every time and dunk on them? Entrepreneurship is the same. You get to choose who you compete with. So why would you go compete against brilliant people in very difficult businesses? I'm in real estate. Real estate is the highest concentration of rich, dumb people. Period. I'll say it right here. Like, where are not people who are not that great at business making really good money? And before long, you realize that, hey, the cleaning company that showed up to my house and charged me $100 to clean my house, but it took an hour and a half for 4 people to do that. I don't know. That's maybe not the best business. But then a truck comes up and 3 guys remove a giant tree from my backyard and they're here for 45 minutes and I write them a check for $3,000. Like, okay, maybe that one's, tree removal. It has its own issues too. But once you start thinking about business that way, you spot opportunities of what you might want to get into. But I think real estate is a pretty good option for a lot of dentists. Cash flow, and it's not as operationally intensive as a lot of small service companies.
Before you go, we have a new sponsor of the show, recostseg.com. And if you bought a piece of real estate, you need to get a cost segregation study done. It's what allows you to get all that sweet, sweet bonus depreciation. And it's how real estate investors like me and many others pay almost nothing in taxes on an annual basis. You can cost seg a single family rental, a short-term rental, or a large commercial property. recostseg.com is affordable and aggressive and super fast to turn them around. They've done 10 plus cost segs for me this year. They're going to do many more for me. Visit recostseg.com to learn more.